The World's Simplest Guide to the Stock Market by Edward W. Ryan. Most U.S. stocks trade on one of two markets. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. In the United States, most stocks trade on one of two main exchanges, the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq. When a company goes public, its shares are bought and sold on these platforms. The NYSE is known for listing big financial and industrial companies like J.P. Morgan Chase and Caterpillar. On the other hand, Nasdaq, which started in 1971, is famous for hosting many technology companies. When a company gets listed on these exchanges, it's a big deal. However, if a company struggles and doesn't meet certain standards, it can be removed or delisted. When this happens, its stocks might end up in the over-the-counter market, often referred to as pink sheets, which many investors see as less prestigious. While major brokerages might not charge commission fees for trades, they often make money in other ways, such as by offering slightly less favorable prices. Most individual investors won't notice this difference because it may only affect the cost by a few cents per trade. When buying stocks, you have options for how you place your trades. A market order means you're willing to buy at the current market price when the trade goes through. A limit order, however, allows you to specify the price you're willing to pay. For instance, if Apple's stock is at $151 but you want a better deal, you can set a limit order at $150.50. This means your order will only be filled if the price drops to $150.50 during the trading day. If it doesn't, your order is canceled. Index funds are another key investment tool for individual investors. They let people invest in entire market indexes like the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, or the Nasdaq. This way, you can buy a piece of the overall market performance, which simplifies investing and offers diversification. I hope you found the information about the World's Simplest Guide to the Stock Market by Edward W. Ryan. This brings us to the end of this book. Check out our YouTube channel if you're hungry for more knowledge and want to explore other books. It's chock full of informative videos and recommendations to keep you engaged and learning. So head on over and subscribe today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.